Welcome friends. In the last video, we have seen the design patterns, which is singleton and factory design pattern we have seen in the last video. In this video, we are going to see abstract factory pattern. So first we will understand what is abstract factory pattern. Then we will see one of the example for this. So if you have not watched previous video, in that I have explained this singleton or factory pattern. Now I am going to cover this abstract factory pattern. So what is abstract factory pattern? The abstract factory pattern provides an interface for creating families of related objects without specifying their concrete classes. Means without specifying concrete classes, we can create the object with the help of interfaces of the abstract factory pattern with the help of. Then let's understand this in deep. Here, if you see, this means that the pattern helps to abstract the process of object creation in a way that allows the client code to work with abstract types. Means we will work, client code will work with abstract types without knowing about the actual implementation details of the object it uses. Let's understand this with example. We will see one of the example for this. So for better clarity. And so here if we see, I have given some steps here, like how we can create abstract factory patterns. So first define animal interfaces. Then we need to create common interface for all animals. And then create specific animals. Let's first see this first two steps. Here if we see, I have created these animal interfaces, which we have move method. And for the implementation classes, I have used land animal that will working on the land. Method move I have overridden from these interfaces. Then water animal, which is we have provide implementation for this move method, that is providing implementation for animals interface and the swimming in the water. So these are the two steps we have completed. Then next step is create specific type of here if you see create specific animals, implement the interfaces for specific animal like land animal. This we have done. Then we need to define animal factory interface. So let's understand. Here I have declared one interface which is animal factory. So this what is this interface will do? This will give us animal. This will create a animal with this animal factory interface. We can create animal. Then there is we need to provide concrete factory classes. So this will implements create interface create animal method of the animal factory, and we will get the animal of specific type without knowing the actual classes. So here if you see land animals factory is implementing animal factory, and we are overriding this animal create animal method, which is returning us the land animal. So with the help of this class, we are creating the animal by implementing animal factory interface. Similarly, for water animal also, water animal factory implements animal factory, and it is creating, we are overriding this interface method animal factory create animal, and we are returning animal water animal. So with these classes, we are creating specific type of animal with the help of animal factory. Let's understand the main code. Here, if you see the steps, create an interface animal factory. This interface will have method to create an animal. So we have that method which is creating animal. Here, if you see, we have this method which is going to create animals. Then next, implement the interface, factory interface for creating specific type of animals. So we are implementing this animal interface. Then next, use the factories to create animal without knowing their exact types. So we are using factories to create animals. So which factory we are using? Animal factory, and creating animal of specific type without knowing this type of which type of animal it is. And then without knowing their exact classes. Then next we will see main method. Here if you see animal factory, it is creating, we are holding is land animal factory is holding land animal factory instance. With the help of land animal factory, we are creating animal of land animal of animal interface, and we are calling this method walking on the land. Similarly, water animal factory is creating animal of the water animal with the help of animal interface, and water animal dot move is method we are calling, that is giving us output as a swimming in the water. Let's run this example and we will see the output. So here if you see in the walking on the land, we call this method, and this object is created by this land factory dot create method, and we get the output as a walking on the land, then swimming on the water. So in the last, the animal factory interface with the method to create animals. So animal factory is a interface which will create us the animal. Then concrete factories we use land animal factories, and water animal factories that create specific animals. And our main code, which is uses factories to create work with animal without knowing the exact type. So this is the main code which is using factories method without knowing the exact type of the classes. That's all from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.